Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection but you cannot find the Call of Duty mobile on Google Play Store for Samsung Galaxy M33. And first let's try finding the game right here, so we can look for Call of Duty. And as you can see, there's no results for the game that we're looking for. We need to go back, click on your profile picture to fix the issue, navigate to your settings, family and parental controls. Right here, either disable parental controls entirely or enter apps and games. Here, use your PIN and increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards and go back. Here, if you try to find the game again, it should be on the top, available to install. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.